How to activate Chase debit card. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to any of the web browser. Let me head over to Google Chrome. In here, in the search bar, search for Chase Activate Debit Card. Different sites will be available to you. Head over to the very first one, Activate Debit Card. It will land you on this interface. In order to activate your debit card, first of all you need to log into your Chase account. So enter the user ID and the password of your account and then click on sign in. Once you have been signed in, it will land you on this interface. At the very top it says choose card. You simply have to select debit card and scroll all the way down to the bottom. You have to enter some of the detailed information of your debit card. At the bottom you have to enter the expiration date shown on your new card and then click on activate card. Once it has been done, your debit card will be activated successfully and then you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can activate your Chase debit card. Make sure to hit the smash button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you on the next video.